Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai i20. In this video I'll show you where is the fuse box under the hood. In the beginning, let's take a look at the right side of the engine compartment. Now you have to unlock this cover. You can lift it, and the fuse box is located right here, but I'm not able to take it out because of this cable right here. You have to unscrew this and then you'll be able to take this cover out. So here we've got the engine compartment fuse box. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.